Hey everybody, David Lemon here. In this video I'm going to talk about the improvements that were added to GroovePages with the recent update. If you're looking for the video about the things that we added and also for the bug fixes, there are separate videos that you can find somewhere around here or in the description of this video. So some of the smaller things that we did is as follows. Whenever you are deciding on what template to use, the categories were all just added in there, but there was no order. So now we ordered all of these template categories per alphabetic order. Okay, so now they're following the alphabet. So this is a small improvement, but it's still useful when you're looking for the right template. All right, moving on. We did some changes on the free accounts. When you are on a free account and you're using GroovePages, at the bottom of the site you will have a black banner which says this page was built with GroovePages, and also it's going to show report the site for spam or something like that. Certain platforms that crawl the site or the free account on the free account, they didn't like certain words in that black banner, so we now improved it so that the sensitive words are not found by those platforms. It's still there, the banner didn't change at all. We just made it so that the banner doesn't cause the site to be marked as risky or something. Some users reported that, and now that is improved and shouldn't be happening anymore. We did some certain small changes on the alignment of the text input fields. As you can see on my canvas over here, I was playing with that already. So when you are having any kind of placeholder text, or you are waiting for your users to type in some text, you can actually decide now where the text will be positioned. So you can click on the text settings, and then you can decide if it will be left, center, or right aligned. So now you can create these different layouts for your text input fields. It's not only working on the templates and in these input fields, it will also work inside the GrooveMail element and also in these custom integration elements like MailChimp and Perkzilla, Sendio, Webform, Campaign Monitor, and so on. So that's a cool, neat improvement that will help a lot of people. Hover styling and improvements for hover settings. Now when you click on something, and previously for hover settings you had to actually apply it and then hover over something to see if it was applied or not. Now you don't need to do that. Let me show you why. Now we see that the background color without the hover turned on is this dark blue. If we click on the hover setting, we can manage, for example, a color yellow, and we immediately see the changes happening on the canvas. So if we turn off the hover, we see the normal state. If we turn on the hover, we can immediately apply changes to the element and see the styling immediately right there on the canvas, which is super neat. There was also a couple of changes and fixes for the hover settings. Certain styling settings were not sticking. They were resetting after some time. Now that is not going to happen anymore. The next thing in line is the drag and drop on the slider elements. Basically, whenever you are doing any kind of slider, and adding a block to the slider, it was previously very clunky to drag it in. So now when you would like to add on a certain block onto a slider, for example this one, it's much easier. As you saw how easy that was. It's basically showing where to drop the block without any kind of issues. Previously it was kind of didn't know where to actually leave the block inside the slider, so that's now improved. The next thing that was done is for the screenshots themselves. So whenever you go into the template library or something like this, also into your blocks that you saved, some of the templates or some of the screenshots don't show up very nice because the screenshot system was so fast that it actually created a screenshot before it even loaded. Now we just need to refresh all of our templates to have the screenshot reset, and also we managed for your own templates and for your own sites, only the screenshot will only get generated when you manually click the save button now. Previously it was auto-generating it, and every time the site was auto-saving. Now the thumbnail or the screenshot will get created only when you click the save button. So these are the improvements that we deployed inside this this release. If you're looking for the video on the additions there and the bugs, there is a separate video on that you can find somewhere around this video, above, below, or in the description. See you in the next video.